Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be dealing with oranges. Okay, I have here about 5 oranges that I'm going to use, but what I need from the oranges in today's video is just the peel. I've already washed the oranges. I'm going to even add one more orange to make it 6. I already washed them all, so I'm going to be doing just removing the peel, the skin of the orange. I made an example right here. I don't need the white portion, I only need the yellow portion, just the skin of the peel, which is the peel. So the peel of orange has an antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which makes it great for treating acne and oily skin. Excuse me. So it can be used to treat acne and oily skin. It also works as a skin lightening agent and can do wonders for marks on the face and pigmentations. Orange peels works as a natural bleach and can help lighten dark blotches and remove them with time. So take your time with it. When I'm ready, I'm only doing this video just for the to show you guys how to peel the remove the skin off carefully. I have some that I did already in here. They are being hydronized, they are dry, so I just put them in whatever I need them for. Okay, any beauty resume I need them for. So I have them all saved here, but I'm about to make another one, and this one I'm making, I'm just going to save also for future purpose. So this video is strictly to show you how I make them. So I've already washed all the oranges, and now I have 2 grinders here. Okay, I can use this one or I can use the big one. I already washed them both. So right now, when I'm using the small one, it makes my, see the oil, see the oil in the skin. The oil peel, the peels have a very fine oil that is very good and useful for your body and your skin. So I'm using the small one right now. They both have their benefits. The small one takes time, but it will grind and make the skin come out finely, rather than them to be too big. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to use the small one, but when I get tired, I'm going to go ahead and remove and do it with the bigger grinder. This is all I want to show in this video, because when I'm ready to actually use the orange peel, I will let you guys know. I'm going to be using it to make some bleaching properties, bleaching regimen that I will be able to actually put away and use for a long time to come. You know, I'm trying to make some oil for myself, so I'm going to be combining quite a few different type of oils in this regimen, and that includes oil and some other oil. So right now I'm peeling it. See how much I have removed so far. You really don't need the white portion, you only need those yellow portion. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you want, you can also see how much I have in here from 1. This is just from 1. So if I'm going to continue using this small one, So if I want, I can use the bigger one. So subscribe to my channel, share with everybody please, and also click on the notification bell so that when I upload any other videos you can be notified automatically. Thank you. Share with everybody and subscribe. Thanks.